that no political office holder should go outside this country for medical treatment again. Those in support of that motion say aye. Those who are not in support say nay. The ayes have it. A woman needs to speak because no woman, no nation.
1 fight. I'm not going to shout like it. You guys is heavy aggression. But we are here for one reason. We are here to move our country forward. We are here because we want to work with the government. We want the government to be accountable to us, the people. The people who voted him into the government into power. And so we want to have a voice. The voice.
Go on. He's guiding momentum. That is it.
I'm standing here as a business owner, a small business owner, and I know the effect of what this government has done to my business. I know the effect. I'm also standing here as a mother. I know the effect this has done for me as a mother. The price of food has doubled in the last 1 year.
That's right.
The price of to go to the hospital, you have to pay. To have an education, we have to pay. We have to pay. I think that you guys are